Adoption. Meaning. Adoption refers to the act of taking something as your own, such as a child, idea, or method. Definition. Adoption is a noun that describes the process of legally taking someone's child as your own, or the acceptance and use of a new practice, idea, or technology. Examples in sentences. 1. Their adoption of a healthier lifestyle improved their overall well-being. Here, adoption refers to the decision to start following a healthier way of living. 2. The family celebrated the official adoption of their new son with a small party. In this sentence, adoption refers to the legal process of making a child part of their family. Usage. Adoption is used in contexts related to legal guardianship, acceptance of new ideas, or implementing new strategies or technologies.
English practice.